Hi guys, in this video we will see how to show or hide file name extension on Mac. So at first open Finder. So this is my Finder window, and here if we go to downloads, I created a couple of files, and those are .iqi file, but there is some hidden extension. So when I was trying to read this file, I was unable to read, and then I was thinking, how can I figure out the extension? And finally I got the extension. In this video I will show you how to see the extension of each file. So before going to the tutorial, I will request you, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. And now let's get started. So at first open your Finder from anywhere of your computer, and then click on the Finder. Then I have to go preferences. Once you are in the preferences, then you will find this type of checkbox, show all file name extension. Just check mark this thing and then click close button, and you will see the extension is now visible. Similarly, if you want to unhide this thing, you just repeat the same thing. That means you have to uncheck that thing. So in this way you can easily show or hide file name extension on Mac. Thank you for watching the video. Please like or dislike and comment based on the video content, and subscribe to our channel.